Hi guys, in this video, I want to show you this particular method that I've personally used to generate over $920 in a single week. And if you follow everything I'm going to show you in this video, trust me, at the end of the day, your dashboard is going to be something like this or even something more than this. All you have to do is just to follow the method, follow the strategies step by step. Don't skip a step. Trust me, at the end of the day, you're going to see results. And having said this, without wasting much of your time, let's get started right away. The first thing we need to do is to come over to Google and search for the word Gap. It's going to be the first link. You want to go ahead and click on the link gap.com. Once you click on the link, you're going to be on this page just like this. This particular website, gap.com, is an American alternative tech microblogging and social network service. This platform actually gives individual liberty and free flow of information online, meaning you can share what you want to share online without getting banned, not like all other websites where you can post what you like. Here you have the power to post anything you like without getting banned. It's a free speech social network website. The first thing we need to do here is to come back to where it says sign up, and you want to hit on that button. Once you do that, you're going to be on this page just like this. Here you want to create your username, create your email address, put in your password and confirm your password. And once you do that, you want to hit on sign up. And just like every other website, they're going to send you an email just like this for verification. Click on this link where it says verify email address, and then your account is going to be created. And now the next thing we need to do is to return to Digistore24. Once you're here, you want to come over to where it says marketplace, and then you're going to be on this page just like this. What I need you to do is to come over to where it says fitness and health. Once you click on that button, you're going to be on this page just like this. Here I want you to select any of these products relating to keto. Most of them are keto diet, keto something, but choose any of these that's related to keto, which technically means how to lose weight. Once you find the right choice, you want to take your time and select the best offer that is providing you with all you're going to need. You are going to need the image swipes and even the banners. If you feel like you don't want to promote any product relating to keto, you can as well choose any other product relating to any niche. Okay, it doesn't mean you must promote keto to make money with this method I'm going to show you this video. You can choose any niche. As far as you know what the niche is all about, you can still go ahead and make money with it. Make sure any product that you're promoting here must present you the affiliate sales page, because we don't want to overstress ourselves. We just want most of the information to already be present in their page. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I will just go ahead and use the essential keto cookbook. And the first thing I will need to do is to check the affiliate support page to see what is present for me. It's basically simple, but what I need are right here, the image swipes and the banners. And I will just go ahead and download the image swipe and also go ahead and download the banner. And once the banner and the image swipe have been downloaded, I will need to return to my Digistore24 again and hit on where it says promote. And this is my particular link. I'll just go ahead and click on the link. It's been copied, and now I will need to go over to Bitly. If you have any website you're using, you can go ahead and actually use the website that you prefer, but for me, I always use Bitly, and for that I will just come over to where it says create new, and I want to hit on that button. And here I want to hit on the link, and the particular link that I just copied, I'm going to paste it here, Ctrl+V for my keyboard, and you can actually give your link a title. And for the title, I will just write the essential keto cookbook just for reference. And once you done that, you want to come over to where it says create, and you want to create a link. This is the particular link we just created. What you need to do next is to come back to where it says copy, and you want to copy your link. Come over to where you can save your link and paste your link there. And once you do that, we need to go over to the next step of this particular video. And for the next step of this video, we need to return to Gap. And here, there are basically 3 ways to promote our offer. Okay, I want you to pay attention and follow everything and listen attentively. There are 3 ways that we can actually promote our offer. First, I'm going to show you the very first one that is more efficient. Each of the 3 methods can actually work. It's going to depend how you set it up, how you do it. And having said that, let's get started with the first method. For the first method, you want to come back to where it says group. You want to hit on this particular button. Okay, and once you're here, you want to search any of the group that is relating to what you're promoting. And firstly, for you to know the group that are present, you want to come back to where it says category. You want to hit on category. These are the categories that are present, and you want to select any of this category that is related to what you're promoting. If you are promoting dog and cat offer, you want to hit on these animals. If you are promoting like affiliate marketing and how to make money online, you want to click on business. For the sake of this video, we are actually promoting keto, which is related to health and fitness. You want to hit on this. All of these groups are groups that are related to health and fitness. And for this my demo account, I'm actually a member of this keto group. You can actually go ahead and join any of this group here, but note when you join the group, always check if there are requests to join. Those with this request to join will actually take a little bit time, because they're going to review your profile before they are allowed to join. Already I'm a member of this group, and there are 48,000 members in this particular group. Okay, you can actually join any of this group here relating to what you're promoting. Most of them are about health and fitness. And once you select any of the group, you can actually join multiple of this group. On my main account, I actually follow many of these. I'm not only promoting health and fitness offer, I'm actually promoting many offers. So you can actually join any of these, or like I said before, choose any other category and join the group that's related to your niche. Okay, so that everybody are not going to be doing the same thing, like I always said in my video. And even if you want to join a group like this, where is it? This particular group that said Natural Remedy with 7,000 members, 7,000 people. If you come over to Digistore24, you're going to see there is even a product that is related to that particular group, which is this particular one right here, Natural Remedies. If you promoted this type of offer, definitely you're going to join this type of group right here. Okay, so for the sake of this video, since we're promoting keto offer, we're going to join this particular group. Remember, everybody must not use this particular group so that it will not be flooded. Okay, there are a lot of groups on this particular website. Choose the one you know you're confident about. And here you want to come over to this button that's look like pen, and you want to hit on that button. You're going to have a page just like this. What is your mind? Now we need to find what we need to post. Remember when we downloaded our banners and image swipes? Go over to your file and find where you save it. Both of them are here. This is the image swipes and this is the banner. First, I need to click on the banner, and then I just need to choose any of these files right here by double clicking on the file. Like this particular one is okay. I will just go ahead and hit on save as and save it right here just like this. And once that is done, I need to go back to the image swipe. Okay, double click, and here you can actually choose any of the image swipe and read everything attentively. Once you convince about the image swipes, you want to go ahead and copy everything. You can actually change most of the text and delete most of the text. Okay, it doesn't mean you are going to be copying and pasting. You can actually change some of the words. Once you done that, you want to return to Gap and paste it right here. After you must have gone through the text, and here where it says click here to secure your free copy of the Essential Keto book, what you need to do is to return to where you actually save your affiliate link, and you want to hit on Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy everything. Return to Gap, and you want to paste your link right here with Ctrl V, just like this. Once it turns green, you know the link is okay. And once you've done that, now we need to add a photo. For you to do that, you need to hit on this particular icon, and then it's going to take you to your file where you actually save the link. This is the particular banner that we actually downloaded, and you want to hit on open. And now you can see the way it is. This is the text and this is the photo. This is our link. Whenever they click on this link, they are going to be redirected to our offer. But since all these groups are genuine, I don't want to be spamming everything, because actually I didn't go through this text. I don't want to be spamming the group. I'm not going to post it. But naturally, you just need to go ahead and post it. This is the number one way to promote our particular offer in this particular website. And now let me show you the second method that you can actually use to promote this offer. And for the second method, since you're already a member of this group, what you need to do is to come over to where it says members. Click on these members. You're going to find all of these members. All of these people right here are actually interested in keto diet. You want to follow most of them. There are some company here, but you don't want to follow the company. You want to follow the individual people. Okay, like this Leo George. You want to go ahead and follow Leo George. Hit on his profile. You're going to say it's not a company, and then what you need to do is to message this particular user directly, promote your offer. Okay, for you to do that, you want to hit on this particular button, and then you're going to be on this page just like this. If you don't want to overstress yourself, return to your file where you actually save your image swipe, and then you can actually use any of this image swipe to create your words that will make this user to be interested in your offer. Try to create a little familiarity of what you're promoting, so that whenever you want to promote this particular offer, you will know what you're promoting, you will know what to sell. And trust me, you might be looking this method like this. These methods I'm showing you here are actually powerful. I've used it myself in different websites, and I've used it in this website. It has worked, and that is the reason why I'm telling you the same thing. And for the third method, that is more difficult. It's not so efficient like this two that I've showed you. Mainly, I want you to put all your energy in these two methods that I've showed you. And then if you want to maximize the way of reaching these people, you want to come back to the home feed and post your particular offer, what you have in your mind. Just that the problem of this is, if you want to post directly to the home feed, you must need to create a landing page. If you can create a simple bridge page, you can actually post on the home feed. Without the bridge page, you cannot post a link directly to the offer that you're promoting. That is the real problem with this third offer. But mainly, I want you to focus on these two methods that I've showed you. Trust me, if you do it this way, be persistent and consistent, trust me, at the end of the day, you're going to start seeing results. But if by any means, in these three methods that I've showed you, you don't want to use these three methods to make money online, this particular video that is going to pop up right here is going to show you different way and different strategies that you can actually use to make money online. So click on this video and I will see you there. Cheers. Peace out.